In-car entertainment is certainly a must-have in your travelling companion nowadays, but some of us with older and more dated cars may struggle to achieve this. Installing an aftermarket stereo can be a hassle and requires you to spend money on harnesses, tricky wiring work, and plenty of installation time. Well, that's where a solution like this may come in. This is the CARPURIDE car audio receiver, and it has built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And it is a fully touchscreen 7-inch multimedia player and navigational device. And the best thing about this is there is no installation that is required, and there is a multitude of ways to use it and have it fitted into your dash. So this unboxing experience isn't half bad. You really do get everything you need to get up and running straight out of the box. You get the unit itself, a rather long power cable that certainly will make for a clean installation, an auxiliary cable with some decent length as well, so that you're able to hook up this to your sound system in your car, but there is also two alternative ways of mounting this to the car itself. Before we get into that, let's quickly look around the device itself. So on the front we are rocking a 7-inch screen. I'm not a huge fan of these bezels. They are rather large and very much unneeded in today's technological advancements. But nevertheless, is it really a deal breaker? I don't think so. On the left side is where we're going to find all of our inputs. At the top we have a built-in microphone, a micro SD card slot for media playback, a cam in port which enables you to use this with a reversing camera, auxiliary out for connection to your sound system, USB port for media playback, and obviously your power port. And that's really it. The device is somewhat compact, and having those ports positioned on the left allows for easy running of the cables to their designated slots. So thankfully the manufacturer has offered two alternative ways of installing this into your car, and it really does come in handy because each car is different, and to be honest we all have different preferences. So the first stand is very simple, and it does add for a very modern and clean looking installation. The best thing about these is they just simply slide into place. Once you hear a click, you're good to go. You get a lot of wiggle room with these, and you can alter it to the viewing angle you need. There is a supplied adhesive pad that you can stick onto the bottom and then stick it to your dash. So this is how the stand looks, and quite honestly I do like this one, but if you do have a high dash or someone who enjoys it in a specific position, you can use the arm. The arm has a bit more flexibility in terms of how it can be angled. This can be installed to a dash or windscreen using the different adhesion pads. There is a lot of wiggle room on movement on the arm, both up and down and towards and back. And the installation, well, it does look clean. When you power on your device for the first time, there will be some simple setup that is required, but it really doesn't take that long to get it done at all. What's great about this device is it's very user-friendly and dead simple to use. You don't need to be tech savvy to navigate this system. It has a vast array of features that will make it a great companion for your car. Obviously, a huge and massive selling point for this device is the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, and what it can offer in terms of convenience. Once connected, I was pleasantly surprised to see that upon startup, each time it would instantly connect and take you there. By having Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you open the world of possibilities. You have access to fast map guidance, Apple Music playback, and Siri voice commands. Another great feature this device boasts about is its ability to mirror your phone's screen. The screen mirroring feature may be a gimmick for some, but being able to cast a YouTube video, pictures and much more straight from your phone to the DVR can really come in handy when trying to provide in-car entertainment for a little one or just stationary time wasting. The screen really isn't that bad. At a resolution of 1024 by 600, it certainly isn't crystal clear and eye-catching, but it's adequate with high responsiveness and a clear viewing experience from nearly all angles. Now, connection to your car speakers is essential to get the best out of this, and thankfully this can be achieved in two ways. Obviously one way is by using the auxiliary cable provided, but for some having that cable might be a bit of an issue. Another way is by simply using the FM transmitter. You can broadcast the audio's output to be transmitted over a specific radio wave, and then you can go into your car's radio tuner and tune into that station. This seems to work quite well. Sometimes you may experience a delay or jittering, but on the whole, it's not that bad. The device really works well at being a central hub for your car. Being able to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without the need of installation and wiring, well, it's certainly a plus for many. It won't be for everyone, but for those looking for a device with these benefits, it's certainly a very appealing device. Check out the product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.